This is where we parked. This is kind of a container dock part, but it's a car park on the outside, right at the back of the ship. And straight across from us is, I don't know what this place is, but this is really quite interesting. This is, looks like, I don't know, a little market or something, but really quite interesting. Anyone who knows what it is, please leave a comment. It'd be nice to know. Oh, very interesting. This looks like a battlement wall. Perhaps Cadiz was a fort at one time. This is was at one time the place to be. The likes of this, kings and queens. This looks like this was all nightclubs and bars. Unfortunately, it looks like it was maybe a few years ago. This is rather closed down, derelict, but it's okay. There we go. Let's have a look. I wonder what happened to this area, why it died so suddenly. My. Talk about a place just waiting to be redeveloped. Yeah, I mean, take away the graffiti. What a place, man alive! Oh yeah, come on, someone. You have to think about putting a little bit of money into this place. This has to be redeveloped. This is absolutely unbelievable. This is probably a view that not many people see of Cadiz. But, wow. This is something else. This This is definitely something else. Why this has been allowed to go to such disrepair, I really don't know. Okay, the container port's not what you would call the most beautiful part, not the most beautiful scenery, but it brings money into the economy. But look at that. Look at the views from here. Unbelievable. Come on guys, there must be someone out there with a few million that can invest in this area. This is absolutely unbelievable that this area has been allowed to go into such disrepair. It's only graffiti. Most of the places are still standing.
Just needs a good clean.
Just needs a good clean. Look, I mean, what a brilliant place for a nightclub. It's out of the road of everyone. You can have I mean, it's actually a theatre, this one.
So,
Montmartre Theatre.
Montmartre.
It's Montmartre. It's obviously been restaurants and bars. I was never here when this was all Le Chic. Now that looks like a big place. What the hell happened to this area to make it all shut like this? Soho Bar. Actually, it looks in pretty good condition. No, you can't see through it. Soho Alternative Bar. Again, big place. Num num. Kebab sandwiches. It's just unbelievable. The amount of money that's been invested in this for the whole area to be just shut down. I mean, maybe it was flooded. I don't know. Perhaps you can tell me in the comments. Perhaps you can tell me in the comments. But looks like the bar just closed for the night. Never reopened. Bar stools just piled on top of each other. If anyone can tell me what the hell is going on here, I'd be very happy.